In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your region inside of Battle.net. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to head on over to account.battle.net and sign into your account. Now, once we've signed into our account, we want to go ahead and click on that support tab at the top of the page. Now, inside of here, where it says search support articles, we want to type in change country. And then from here, we want to go ahead and click on Battle.net account, country, region, change, and then hit enter. Now we want to click on the first result here, or the first article, Battle.net account, change country. Now if we scroll down a little bit on the first sentence here, we want to click on that first hyperlink, country change, self-service. Now this is going to open up a new window tab. Then from here, we want to click on that continue button. Then from here, we need to go ahead and verify your account. So select one of the methods below. So I'm going to go ahead and click on text message code. Now I'm going to put in that text message code, click submit. Now, because this is a tutorial, I'm actually in the same country where my account resides. I want to get this. Your registered country region already matches your geographic location, but if you're actually in another country, say if I move to America, Canada, or wherever, it's not going to show me that. And then what we can do is change it there. And also, you can only change your country region once every 180 days. So keep that in mind. And now you can only change the country region we detect as your current location. If we incorrectly identify your new country region or residence, please submit a support ticket. So click on submit a support ticket. So if you are in another country and it's just glitching out. So just click onto that. Now we want to go ahead and click on proof of residency. So this can be a recent utility bill with your name and address and new address on it. Then from there, just put in the description, say, hey, I'd like to change my region from, say, in my case, if I move to America, I want to say change it from Australia to America. And then also you want to attach a file. If you got any more proof or description add, then click on submit and then give Battle.net a few days to process that ticket and they'll get back to you and they should successfully change your region for you.